Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the basics of CSS, cascading style sheets, its types, and simple programs. CSS is very important in web designing because it helps us make web pages attractive and well structured. CSS stands for cascading style sheets. It's used to style and design web pages. While HTML is used to create the structure of your web pages, CSS is used to control the layout, colors, fonts, spacing, and overall appearance. Also, it saves the time with reusable styles. Now, we will see why we have used CSS. It separates the content from the design. That means HTML handles content and CSS handles styling. Second, it improves the website appearance. And also it saves time with reusable styles. Third, it ensures the consistency across all web pages. This is the basic syntax of CSS. Here, the selector means HTML element we want to style. It may be any HTML tags or the class selector, that is the new class selector. The property means what type of style we want to apply, such as color or font style or font size or font type or anything else. The value which defines how the style should appear. Now let us see one example. In this example, the H1 is a selector, the color is a property, and blue is a value for the property color, and another one property is font size, and the value 30 pixel for the property font size. This means all the H1 headings will appear in blue color with size 30 pixels. This is an example program which is used in HTML. Next, we will see the types of CSS. There are three types of CSS: inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Inline CSS, which is written inside the HTML document using the style attribute. In this example, here the color red is directly applied to the heading only. So inline CSS affects only one element and is not reusable. The next one is internal CSS, which is written inside the style tag. It's placed inside the header section of the HTML document. So in this example, we will make all paragraph text green in that particular page. Internal CSS is useful when styling a single web page. Next, we will see the external CSS. External CSS, which is written in a separate CSS file. So, already we have one HTML document which is having an extension as HTML, and we have to create another one CSS file. That CSS file which is having the extension as .css. So two files, one is HTML file and another one is CSS file. Now we have to link the CSS file within an HTML file. For that purpose, we have used the link tag. It's linked to HTML using the link tag. So the example is here: link rel, which is equal to style sheet, href is equal to style.css. This is a most recommended method because it's a reusable, easy to maintain, improves the loading speed. Next, we will see the advantages of external CSS. External CSS has many advantages. It can be used across multiple pages, easy to modify, keeps the HTML document as clean, it saves the development time. So, we conclude the CSS topics. CSS improves the look of websites. There are three types of CSS: inline, internal, external. And among these style sheets, external style sheet is the most recommended. Thank you.